Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
Good morning. Today is May 21st. It's Tuesday. We have a very full morning with a number of arraignments, about 20 pre-exam conferences. And then we have sobriety court this afternoon. So we're going to be pretty busy this morning. Oh, Colorado from Cadillac. Good morning, Liverpool. A number of our arraignments are felonies. One lady just called and told the staff, quote, "I just effing woke up, so it's going to be a while before I get there." So we'll see her if and when she shows up. Yesterday was the first day of Learned League season for the spring and summer. They get dumber and dumber. We had a storm last night, nothing too bad, but there's supposed to be more bad weather today, and people are a little gun shy around here because we had tornadoes a week ago Tuesday, 2 weeks ago. My wife gave me a bobby pin. Should put this in there, so I have it in there. Good for picking locks or used for a cotter key in a pinch. All right, good morning, everyone. Keith says good morning. We're starting to fill the courtroom, and as I indicated, we're gonna be busy in a little bit. So let's get started. Thank you all for saying hello. Michelle's ready to go.
I'm ready to go.
Gracias.
Go ahead.
Leroy Gonzalez.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. This is file number 24214FY. In this case, you got charged with some felony charges, and the rules are different when you're charged with a felony because you're entitled to have a preliminary examination and a pre-exam conference. I don't have jurisdiction to take your plea at this level, but I will tell you that it's alleged that on or about February 24th of 2023, he used a financial transaction device unlawfully, which belonged to Kristen Kellogg. I know her. And that you did a larceny of building by stealing the credit card. Those are both felonies punishable by up to 4 years imprisonment. Because it is a felony, as I indicated, I don't have jurisdiction to take your plea. I'm going to appoint an attorney. I'm going to set a pre-exam conference. We're already into June for June 4th at 8:30 and a prelim for June 12th at 1. That's a Wednesday. I'm not going to be here on the 11th. You still live on 131?
Yes, sir.
All right. I don't really know very much about this other than what I read to you. What do you do, sir?
I work. I'm an honest man. This is my midlife crisis. All right.
Where do you work?
Surf Pro.
Okay, good for you. Well, what I want you to do is go out to the counter and they'll give you your attorney's name and number.
Okay.
Now you can hire an attorney of your own choosing if you wish, but I want to make sure you have one, so I'm appointing one.
Okay.
His name is Ross Truckee. And I want you to call the lawyer and make an appointment to discuss this with him prior to June 4th. I don't know if you and Miss Kellogg were friends or in a relationship or what the deal was, but your lawyer will get the police report and have a chance to go over it with you, then discuss it with the prosecutor at the pre-exam. So your next obligation is to be here live on June 4th. So I lost my bailiff for a minute, but I want you to go out to the counter and I'll give you your court-appointed paperwork.
Okay.
All right, you're good to go.
Thank you, honey.
You get back
Have
to
a good
work.
day.
Okay, thanks. I'm working on it. Melva Patino. This is another 23 case, 232433FY. Are you Melva Lee Patino?
Yes, Your Honor.
I don't believe we met, but I'm Judge Middleton. You also got charged with a felony and gonna be the same sort of situation as the last guy. I don't have authority to take your plea. Good morning. Everybody has to sit on that side. And everybody automatically wants to come in and go to the right. The allegation is that you, oh my, are an accessory after the fact to a felony, which is a homicide, and that you did conceal, harbor, maintain, or assist Cameron Hope, who had committed a felony, which was homicide. They charged it as a 5-year felony with a $10,000 fine as a second offense, making it a 7.5-year maximum offense. I'm going to show your plea not guilty. This happened a long time ago. They issued the warrant in December. Well, it happened at Christmas time, December 29th. This warrant issued 1/4/22. How did you come to get arrested here recently?
I didn't get arrested, Your Honor.
Oh, you-
I got out of LaGrange County in November of last year. And then I
then-
heard about it, and so then I contacted the courts here.
All right,
And
so
they
you
set up
turned
the
yourself
summons.
in.
Yeah,
I'm going to appoint an attorney. That case still has not gone to trial. Pre-exam, same thing. It's set for June 4th at 8:30. Preliminary examination if needed for June 12th, or at 1. Yeah, that case is still pending. I'm not exactly sure what's taken so long. It took a few months to catch up to Mr. Hope. He's been in jail for 454 days. I'm gonna have the bailiff take you out. Same instructions as the last guy. I want you to call your lawyer, talk to them, and discuss the case and be here live in person on June 4th at 8:30.
okay, thank you.
Thank you. All right, this I believe is our last arraignment, and then we got a couple no-shows. Now we'll switch gears to
We have
freelance.
another female here on the line.
Yes, what's your name?
Amanda Covey.
Oh, you're the one that just effing woke up.
I'm sorry for that. That's-
All right, again, more people have come in late. Miss Covey is here. We'll take care of her. They told me they didn't think I had enough to do, so they gave me some more. Good morning. Are you Amanda May Covey?
Yes, ma'am, sir.
This is file 24752FY. Miss Covey, we had a couple of the cases this morning. You got charged with a felony.
Mhm.
And because it is a felony, I don't have jurisdiction to take your plea here. This is an arraignment to advise you of what the charge is,
Okay,
and then I will appoint an attorney to help you with this
okay,
and set it for a pretrial conference. The allegation is that on or about April 19th in the village of White Pigeon, you did resist, obstruct, oppose, endanger David Ali, a police officer with the White Pigeon Police Department. And you did trespass on the lands or premises of Little Country Inn after being told to depart. Resisting and obstructing is a felony. It's punishable by up to 2 years in prison.
mhm,
But this is important, so we're gonna get a lawyer to help you with this.
okay.
Are you still at Lakeview Avenue, Sturgis?
I'm actually staying at the American Inn. Cause I'm pretty much homeless.
Well, that's very expensive for what it is.
I have a job,
Oh, very good.
but I don't know how long I'm gonna have that.
What's your job?
Atlantic packaging.
Okay. Not guilty, appoint an attorney. And set attorney pretrial. No, set pre-exam for June 4th at 8:30 and a prelim for June 12th, 24 at 1. For everybody, June 12th is a Wednesday.
Okay.
We've bumped prelims back one day because Judge Pattis and I are both gonna be gone on June 11th. Anyway, I'll have the court officer take you out to the counter. We'll get an attorney to assist you with this.
Okay,
And I want you to call the attorney and make an appointment to discuss this with them, okay?
okay.
All right, you go with the court officer. I'll see you on June 4th. Robert Scott Watson?
Mr. Watson?
He's right here. American red wine and booze. That's what you chose to wear to
I
court?
don't even drink. No, I was working.
Oh. This is file 24870. People versus Robert Scott Watson. You're charged with possession of methamphetamine. It's alleged to have occurred on April 15th of 2024. Like the other cases, because it is a felony, I don't have jurisdiction to take your plea. Ms. Hines represents you on the other case. Lori, are you willing to keep both of these together?
Because there's gonna be a packaged offer, so that would be appropriate, thanks, Sharon.
Otherwise, Mr. Truckee probably would have got it. But it makes more sense to keep point. What's he gonna do on today's case?
Just wait.
Okay. Set PEC pre-exam conference for June 4 at 8:30 and preliminary examination if needed for June 12th. At 1, I'll put working on package plea agreement. All right, Mr. Watson, we'll send you out to the counter to get your paperwork. It'll be Lori Hines, so she'll have both of your cases. It just
We
makes
also
more
wanted
sense.
to get you-
Oh, and he needs to get printed on this also. You're good to go.
Is it-